So what's the range of the Mini Cooper Electric? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I have to run a couple of errands, a little bit of a distance away, and so I decided to take the Mini Cooper and do a range test. So I charged it up to 100%, and I left with 160 miles exactly on the odometer since new. And we'll go ahead and see what kind of range we get. I'm going to be monitoring my miles per kilowatt hour, or I'll also convert that to watt hours per mile for you guys. And basically I'm going to be driving with the flow of traffic. I'm not going to be flooring it, but I'm also not going to be really hypermiling it. And let's see, driving mode, we'll put it to mid, leave it at mid. That's not sport mode, but not green mode. So it is nice enough out, it's 46 degrees Fahrenheit, that I don't really need cabin heat. I might use the seat heat, we'll have to wait and see. But this is going to be a great test to see what this car really can do. I'm currently just a couple miles in. I'm at 4.1 miles per kilowatt hour, or probably about 230 watt hours per mile. So, but yeah, I'll check back in after we're a good way through the charge, and we'll see where we're at. All right, well, so far I've gone exactly 50%. I've driven exactly 70 miles at exactly 50% charge, and it is currently 39 degrees Fahrenheit and raining, so it is not desirable weather, and yet I have gone 70 miles in 50% charge. So I'm still driving around. I want to run it down as far as I can to make sure that this average continues. Hey guys, all right, so I've driven, the odometer shows 264 miles on the clock. I started this journey at 160 miles, so I've driven 104 miles, and I currently show 22 miles of range left. So 264 miles driven, 22 miles of range left. So I've driven 104 miles with 22 miles of range left. It is 37 degrees Fahrenheit. I was going to drive the charge all the way down. However, I just got an emergency service call I need to go out on. A customer's refrigerator is down, so I won't be able to complete this test. Now, the first half of my test, I went 70 miles on exactly 50% charge, and I was at 4.9 miles per kilowatt hour. Second half of the test, it ended up raining. It's now 37 degrees and raining, and absolute worst conditions really for testing range. I've had to have the heat on because it keeps fogging up, the windshield keeps fogging up, seat heat, it's wet, it's cold, worst conditions, and I'm still going to end the day with what looks like 126 mile range. So but again, that's not really worst case scenario. The last half of this test has been very poor conditions. First half was acceptable. So it looks like the 110 mile range that this car is rated for is actually very conservative. I would say that rain or winter time with the heat on, you're going to see 110 miles of range. I could see that 150 miles of range would be easy in the summer at 70 degrees out with no air conditioning working and it's not raining or anything. That would be yeah, pretty doable in this car. So again, those are my findings. It looks like I'm ending the day with what would appear to be 126 mile range, even though the conditions are less than favorable. So that's where we're at. I will continue updating you guys as I have more data, more content on this car. And yeah, it's been wonderful so far. It corners phenomenally well, handles great. It is a Mini after all. They're sort of known for that. And so also coming up, upcoming videos, I shot a video of the undercarriage of the car. Actually, I don't know if this video or that one will be live first, but if this is live before that one, keep an eye open for that. We've got it up on a lift, and I walked under the underside of the car. And let's see here, some other videos. I want to do a thorough walkthrough of all the features of the car now that I've gotten used to driving it. The cruise control is awesome on this thing. It's not adaptive cruise control, but it's really nice, and the icons on the front screen. I want to give you guys an explanation of this. It's actually, the left needle is an analog sweeping needle behind plastic. It's actually a mechanical needle, and then the rest is an LCD screen. Kind of interesting the way they've integrated that, and just other aspects of the car. So anyway, I'm happy with it so far. So is my wife. I also have some cool updates coming on the adjustable screen mount kit for the Model 3. I've got a couple cool Model 3 videos coming up as well, so keep your eye open for that. So I think that's it for me for today. I hope you all are well, and just keep your eye on the channel for some cool stuff coming up. Thanks, guys. As always, stay charged. Bye-bye now.